Hello again. So today we are going to change a brake light bulb. We've got the check brake lights warning on the dashboard. So the brake light bulb on these, it shares the bulb with the side light. It's a single filament bulb, so basically when the side lights are on, it puts so many wattage into the bulb, and then we press the brake light, it ups the wattage, makes the bulb brighter, but it's the same bulb. So put the side light put the side lights on, and as you can see, that one is not working. Okay, so let's get this bulb changed out. We'll show you how to do that. Bing bing, turn that off. Right, okay, so we get the boot open. I've already taken the cover off. I'll take this cover off, and up in there is a black thumb turn screw, so we remove that. Ooh, this is a bit tight, and it's away down there. It's in there, and then right, okay, try again. So to get that off, you just get it done, slides in there, and it comes out here, like so. And the covered in spiders. So there's a clip in there. The seagulls have returned, so there's a wee clip there. I'm going to just sit you down here for a minute because it's quite awkward to get that wee thing out of there. Stay. These wee clips are a pest. For a screwdriver. Okay, so on the back of the tail light, you've got these wee lugs. So you pull these wee lugs up, they're really tight. Probably better using a screwdriver. There's one at the top, there's one at the side, and there's one at the bottom. And there's your bulb holder. So let's get the bulb out. And as you can see, it's just a single filament bulb, lamp. I keep getting it out for calling it a bulb, it's a lamp. And single pin in the centre, two pins either side, 180 degrees apart, and they are equal, not staggered. And it's a 12 volt 21 watt bulb. So that's the old bulb, this is the new bulb, lamp. And we shall put that in there, and we'll go and put the side light on and see if that's working. And if the side light's working, the brake light will work. There we go, as you can see, it is working. So reversal is a refitting, is basically just the same. You just put that in there, make sure these things are all clipped in together properly. You hear it clicking. And that one. And then this wee wire goes in there. It doesn't get jammed up. Get it. There we go. And from that, if I can get my hand out the way, you fit the light back on. You see the pin at the bottom, that goes in there, and then you've got the wee slot which goes in there, it slides into that. So keep that tight as you're fitting. Try to do all this single-handed and then get a wee. There we go. And then put that screw on there. Make sure that's tight, don't want any water getting in. And then we'll fit that in. Cardboard trim panels. Oh, come on. That does seem bothering a minute ago. Here we go. There we go. That's that. And then that wee bulb lamp can go in the bin. There's another light. I'll just break the tailgate. The light on the tailgate, that light, is pretty much the same setup. So that's a 3 watt. There's a 3 watt bulb goes in that, and it's the same kind of thing. I'm not actually going to take it right out because I don't need to take it right out because it's working. But take that one there off. I think that is actually it. I don't think there's anything else. I think it just... Oh, do you know what? Let's take it off. Might as well show you if I can get it off. That's a thumb screw as well. If it'll come out. God, that bit is going on here. Come on. Throw it away. That's what it looks like. And then I think I'm pretty sure I'll pause you a second. Might as well just go the whole hog and show you the tailgate one as well. So there's a wee... You just take that turn screw off and that basically... Somebody needs a new exhaust, and it's a thumb screw there, screw that side, and there's a wee lug there. That wee lug there holds onto the tailgate there, and then it's just a wee plug which has it's one of them ones. You need to press that down, but I actually found it easier to press it down on the inside. And inside that light is we'll take it out of the bulbs. So you've got your wee bog standard push in bulb on that one, and that one's one of the ones. If it'll focus on it, that is. That's a 21 watt, and that one is a 3 watt. I've got a 5 watt one on the other side, but that's a 3 watt bulb. That's a 21 watt bulb. That is one of these ones. I can get it out. That's one of them. See how the wee legs are spaced apart, and I would love to be able to read what that says on that, but unfortunately it's too small. So that goes in there. This is where I put all this apart, doesn't it? Somebody is smoking something smelly. And that one there is just your wee bog standard push fit peanut bulb, I call them. But 3 watt, 21 watt, and then that just slides back in there. Or that way. That just slides back in there. And then if I can get the tailgate down, while I'm holding it, that basically just sits back in there and get a done. Just get a wee done and it will go back in, and then you just plug that back in there. Easier said than done. It just plugs back in there. And then your recover, oh wait a minute, and then your thumb screw goes back on here. And a second. And then your thumb turn on that. And then your recover slides in there, and it clips in there. There we go. And that's basically the gist of what goes on with the back lights. The other side's the same, obviously. Automatic light control on. I'm just wanting to just make sure that they're all working again. That seems alright. All the bulbs working, but that's basically the how you take the tail light out and how you take the light out the tailgate, put the light back in the tailgate. Aye. And that will save me getting stopped by the Rosas. As if I think the police are too busy doing things that they shouldn't really be doing. Anyway, hope you found that interesting. Hope it helps you. I think it's going to rain tonight. A lot of plants and stuff. And I shall see you next time. Toodaloo!